P of z is z to the 5 plus az to the 4 plus bz cubed plus cz squared plus dz plus 14 is a fifth order polynomial with real coefficients. It is known that P of z is z take away z naught, q of z, where z naught is real, and qz is a fourth order polynomial. Two roots of P of z are z1 is 1 plus I, and z2 is 2 minus 3i. We want to find q of z, which is this fourth order polynomial. So these must also be roots of q of z if they're roots of p of z, just because of the way this is constructed. So we can say that q of z is going to be z take away 1 plus I. Now we know the conjugate will also be a root, so it's z take away 1 minus I as well. And then we'll have z take away 2 plus root 3i, but also z take away 2 minus root 3i for the same reason. So if we expand out this first pair just here, that is going to give us z squared minus 2z plus, and it'll end up being 1 squared plus 1 squared, and so that will be 2. And then this one would be z squared, and the 2 here give us take away 4z, and then it will be 2 squared plus root 3 squared, which is 7. And that's good because this says plus 14 at this end, and we're going to have the 2 and the 7 giving us 14. So we just need to expand this out. So if we do z squared times everything over here, then we're going to get z to the 4, take away 4z cubed, plus 7z squared. And then do the same thing with the negative 2z. That's going to give me take away 2z cubed, plus 8z squared, take away 14z, and then do the same with the plus 2. So that's plus 2z squared minus 8z plus 14, which gives me z to the 4 minus 6z cubed plus 7 and 8 is 15 and 2 is 17, 17z squared minus 22z plus 14. We now want to determine the values of the coefficients a, b, c, and d. Well, if you think about p of z, we were told it was z minus z naught times q of z, which is this thing here, z to the 4 minus 6z cubed plus 17z squared minus 22z add 14. So to get the plus 14 on the end here of the p of z, this needs to be z plus 1. And so we can expand out. So we've got z to the 5 minus 6z to the 4 plus 17z cubed minus 22z squared plus 14z. And then with the 1, we're going to get plus z to the 4, take away 6z cubed plus 17z squared minus 22z plus 14. And so the a, b, c, and d are the coefficients of z to the 4, z cubed, z squared, and z. And so just here, that's going to give me that a is negative 5. Just here, that's going to give me b is 11. Just here, c is negative 5. And just here, we're going to get d is negative 8.